Over the next 2 minutes, I will cover some key details about our private label program. Your warranty team can create lifelong customers through collaboration, continuous innovation, and trust. With our turnkey private label solutions and your dealer's personal brand, together we can drive sustainable retention as well as increase revenue and recognition. With information at their fingertips, you can be sure your customers have done their research. The reputation of your brand has brought them through your door. Now you can extend your brand power with a suite of products custom labeled with your marketing identity. Your warranty team is leading the way with private label and changing the game when it comes to your full suite. Protect your valued customers and build loyalty with finance office products based on your very own dealer brand, including custom developed marketing materials, agreements, and much, much more. We also provide extensive and ongoing training support for your team members to further maximize your profitability. Simply put, we do all the heavy lifting with our proven systems and dedicated product support teams, while your dealership enjoys the sales, revenue, and competitive advantages. Moving forward, your brand identity will be the most important part of your dealership. Private Label is here to extend your reach with some of the most innovative products and services in the industry. Your customers deserve a first-class experience. We think you do too. Your warranty team Private Label, driving your business on a road beyond expectations. With Private Label, you have arrived at your destination.